10 p.m. Central Time, a creature was seen roaming around the streets of Canada. The creature is seen to be 13 feet tall, and is very hostile towards anyone that's in his way. You must stay inside until 5 a.m. Central Time, which is when this creature will leave. That was found out from officials at local police department. Lock yourself in, this is an emergency. We have found the name of this creature. His name is the Demon Clown. He was seen ripping down doors and breaking windows at 2 a.m. Central Time. Keep yourself locked in until this situation gets resolved. Attention, this is not a test. I repeat, not a test. This demon clown was just seen with another creature that goes by the name the Headless Bunny. Keep yourself in, this is getting even worse. The situation of the clown and Headless Bunny is now resolved. It is now okay to leave the house, and for example go to your jobs. The situation is now resolved, it's okay now.